In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update LinkedIn job-seeking preferences. If you want to make sure LinkedIn is showing you the right kinds of opportunities, updating your job-seeking preferences is a quick and useful step. These settings help tailor the jobs you see and can make your job search feel much more relevant and organized. To begin, go to LinkedIn and sign into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look at the top navigation bar and click on Jobs. This will take you to the Jobs section, where LinkedIn gathers job listings, recommendations, and tools related to your career search. After the Jobs page opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find Preferences. Click on that option to open your job-seeking preferences. This area is where you can review and adjust the settings that guide LinkedIn's job recommendations and search behavior. Now go ahead and change the settings here based on what you want. Depending on what LinkedIn is showing in your account, this may include things like the types of jobs you're interested in, preferred locations, how open you are to new opportunities, or other job search-related options. Take a moment to look through each setting carefully so your preferences match your current goals. This is especially helpful if your job search has changed recently, if you're exploring a different industry, or if you want more accurate recommendations. As you make your updates, try to be as specific as possible where the platform allows it. Clear preferences can help LinkedIn better understand what you're looking for and may improve the relevance of the jobs suggested to you. It's also a good idea to revisit these settings from time to time, especially if you've gained new skills, changed locations, or shifted your career focus. Once you've updated the settings you want, your preferences will reflect those changes, and that's all you need to do. It's a simple process, but it can make a real difference in how useful LinkedIn is during your job search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.